What's up everybody, this is Megan Shaw with the Student Film Studio, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to color grade S-Log footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you don't have Adobe Premiere Pro, then head on over to the link in the description and download the Adobe Creative Cloud. If you like this video, then hit the subscribe button and like. And if you have any other questions about editing, then leave them in the comment section and I will do my best to answer you. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So you want to head on over to Adobe Premiere Pro and you want to choose the footage that you want to color grade. So we're going to do that. First thing you do is you want to drag your footage into your timeline and select it. Then you want to go to the color tab and you want to go to color wheels and match. So here's where you find the wheels for your midtones, your shadows and your highlights. As you can see, this footage is shot in S-Log, which means it's very flat and there's no color, but we're going to add some color to it now by bringing down the shadows. You want to bring them right down and you want to take the midtones up, and then you want to do the same with the highlights. You want to bring them down. Let's take the midtones up a little bit more. And then you can go back into basic correction and you can bring the exposure down, you can bring the contrast down, and you can bring the highlights and the shadows down. You also want to bring the whites down as well and bring the blacks down. You can go into creative, you can go into curves. This is my favorite part. I love the curves. And then what you want to do with this white line is you want to bring that up right there and bring it right down here so it creates an S shape. Let's take it up a little bit more. Then you want to do the same with the red. You want to bring it up a little bit and then bring it down a little bit. You don't want your footage to look too colorful because then it would look unnatural. So you do the same with the green. Bring it up, bring it down, and then you go into the blue and you do the same with the blue. Now, as you've noticed with this footage here, it's still very flat. You can definitely see that there's a difference in this footage already. Now, obviously you can play with the footage for as long as you want until you get the result that you want. You can make it more blue, you can make it more red, or you can make it black and white. But for now, I am happy with this, so we're going to move on to the next scene and do exactly the same with that. So I'm going to drag this footage over here onto my timeline. And I'm going to select it and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to basic correction, go to the wheel, bring the shadows down, bring the highlights down, and bring the midtones up. Now I'm going to try my best to copy this other footage that we have here. So this other footage, we have it basically the same. Basic correction. So you want to copy this. You want to copy the 03, 7.6, 10.9, 8.7, all of that onto this next footage. And I'm just going to keep switching back and forth between the two sets of footage so that I can get them both the same. So you want to have them both the same so that they don't look too different, because if they look different then it's not gonna, then it's a continuity error and you don't want those. Okay. Now that this footage looks the same as this footage, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the curves and I'm going to adjust them in the exact same place. Alright, so now when you play this footage through, the color should stay the same. The reason why this looks a bit lighter is because this was shot in a lighter position than this. But now you can see the difference between this footage and this footage is that this is more flat and this shows more of the color. This is more closer to what the actual color of the couch and the table were when we were shooting. And that is it for the video, and I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And if you have, as I said, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section of this video and I will do my best to answer you. Thank you very much, and I hope you all have a good day. Peace out.